from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
Hey, good morning, Royals. This is Mr. B, and welcome to another episode of Weird Science Wednesdays. In the 5th grade learning lab, we are currently exploring the different planets of our solar system. One of our students brought up a very good question that I thought would make a perfect Weird Science Wednesdays topic. She asked, Mr. B, if the world is spinning, if the Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, why don't we fall off? But before I explain why, let me show you a really fun experiment that you can do at home. For this experiment, we're going to need a pair of scissors, a coffee can lid, a plastic cup filled with water, and 4 pieces of yarn. Oh, and more importantly, an outdoor space. Do not do this experiment inside. You're going to take the coffee can lid and puncture 4 holes parallel to one another. Notice here that I have one at the top, bottom, and middle. Bring all 4 pieces of that yarn together and then tie a slip knot at the top, or just tie it off, making sure that each string is about the same length. Fill your cup with water, go outside to a safe area, place the cup on top of the coffee can lid, and start swinging back and forth. Doesn't any of the water spill out of the cup when I do a full circle? Well, it's really because of centripetal force, the force that pulls an object towards the center. And that centripetal force is generated by Earth's gravity. Gravity is the force, of course, that keeps us planted on the ground only because it pushes us towards the center of the Earth. Every planet in our solar system has gravity. The sun is a star in our solar system, and it is massive. It's massive. The bigger the object, the greater the gravity, the greater the force. So the sun, being the largest in our solar system, has an immense amount of gravity, which is why we have all of our planets where they are in the solar system. The Earth has gravity, and the moon also has gravity, but it's smaller than the Earth, so it has less gravity. So if you were to jump on the Earth, you would jump probably about a foot and a half in the air. On the moon, if you were to jump, you would go much higher because you have less gravitational force. That's science.